Honda presents an exciting surprise for classic sports car enthusiasts. The legendary Honda S600 nameplate is revived for 2026 with a modern approach, while maintaining the lightweight sports car heritage that made it famous. For automotive enthusiasts, this car is a highly engaging topic, bringing both nostalgia and modern innovation. Here's our review of what we know so far. Exterior design. In terms of appearance, the 2026 Honda S600 retains the classic Roadster character that is the hallmark of the original model. Round LED headlights inspired by classic models, small minimalist grille that gives a clean and elegant look, long and low hood typical of traditional sports cars. A compact body with aerodynamic lines and 17-inch alloy wheels with a retro-modern style. Its dimensions remain compact, giving it a nimble and lightweight feel. An electric soft-top roof is also available, allowing the car to transform from a lightweight coupe to a roadster in seconds. Stepping inside the cabin, you'll immediately feel the classic feel, yet it's packed with modern technology. The interior is designed with a driver-oriented cockpit in mind. Key interior features: 9-inch touchscreen infotainment display, digital instrument panel with a classic analog design, leather-wrapped sports steering wheel, sporty bucket seats, premium audio system and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The materials used are dominated by a combination of premium leather, aluminum, and soft touch materials, giving a sporty yet luxurious impression. Under the hood, performance is one of the main attractions of the 2026 Honda S600. While still maintaining the lightweight sports car concept, the technology is much more modern. Estimated engine specifications: 1.5L turbo VTEC engine with approximately 200 horsepower, approximately 260 Nm of torque, 6-speed manual or CVT sport transmission, and rear-wheel drive. With a vehicle weight estimated at only around 1,050 kilograms, this car offers very responsive acceleration. As a modern car, Honda also equips the S600 with various safety technologies: Honda Sensing, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. If produced globally, the estimated price of the 2026 Honda S600 is in the range of $32,000 to $38,000. This car will compete with other compact roadsters in the light sport class. The 2026 Honda S600 is the perfect blend of classic sports car nostalgia and modern technology. With its iconic retro design, lightweight design, and responsive turbocharged engine performance, this car has the potential to be one of the most exciting roadsters in its class. So that's the complete review of the 2026 Honda S600. A small sports car with a classic soul that's been brought back with modern technology. If this car were to actually go into production, would you be interested in owning one? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe for more of the latest car reviews.